this video, we shall be developing the normality test, especially the one of Shapiro-Wilk. So a Shapiro-Wilk test is very easy to implement in R and doesn't necessitate to pre-install a specific package. So normality test is very important in statistics. It can be used to test the normality of a variable. It can also be used to make a diagnostic in a regression model to analyze whether or not the residual are normally distributed. In this video, we will show you how to implement first of all the Shapiro-Wilk test for a variable, and we'll also show you how to implement it in a regression in order to analyze the normality of the regression. First of all, run Shapiro-Wilk test in R. You just need to type the command shapiro.test. Into bracket, you will just put the name of the variable. The variable is begin with base because my database is base, followed by the dollar symbol and the name of the variable. When I will run this command for death per 100,000 inhabitants, which is a COVID-based database, we have a result of our Shapiro-Wilk test, which have a weak statistic of 0.95, and the p-value is less than 2.2, is less than 5%, meaning that we can reject the null hypothesis. And the null hypothesis in Shapiro-Wilk test is that the variable is normally distributed. As we have shown how to use Shapiro-Wilk test in R and as well as interpretation, we show you how to use Shapiro-Wilk in linear regression, especially in this case. We will use a linear model to regress confirmed cases on the number of citizens in urban cities. We call our model point.ln for linear model, and we have ln, and dependent variable is confirmed, and independent variable is NCHS urbanization, and we have our data which is called base. Then we will run our linear model regression, and we use the command residual in order to recover the residual of our model. We'll just type the command residual in bracket. We'll import the name of the object. The object is our model, which we call model.lm. Then click on OK. I will see that our variable residual has been generated, so I will give a name x to our residual. So I will the command x equal residual of model.lm. So I will finally test for Shapiro to our residual of a series. So I will type the command Shapiro.test bracket object is x. X is the residual variable that contains the residual of my model, and click on OK. I will see that the result of our Shapiro-Wilk test for normality is now available. We have weak statistic which is 0.30, and we have the p-value which is less than 5%, meaning that we cannot accept the null hypothesis. We will reject the null hypothesis, meaning that our series is not normally distributed. So the error term of our linear model is not normally distributed. And that's it for this video, and we hope we have very well helped you understand how to run linear normality test using Shapiro-Wilk method in R. And I'm not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel. Do subscribe in order not to lose my next video.